Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make format in an Excel sheet. We'll start by understanding why formatting is crucial for clear data presentation. Good formatting makes your spreadsheets easy to read and understand, helping you quickly identify key information. It also gives your work a professional look, making complex data more accessible to anyone viewing your sheet. Let's dive into the fundamental steps to transform your raw data into a polished, insightful report. Next, let's explore basic cell appearance. You can easily modify font styles, sizes, and colors from the Home tab. Emphasize text with bold, italic, or underline options. Use fill colors to visually group or highlight specific data points. Adjust text alignment within cells, choosing from options like top, middle, bottom, left, center, or right, to ensure your data is perfectly positioned and easy to scan. Now, let's focus on formatting different data types. Excel allows you to display numbers as currency, percentages, or dates, making your data instantly understandable. Access these options in the Number group on the Home tab. You can also precisely control the number of decimal places for any numerical value. For unique needs, explore custom formatting to tailor how your specific data appears, ensuring maximum clarity and precision. Finally, let's look at more advanced formatting. Conditional formatting automatically highlights cells based on rules you set, like values greater than 100 or top 10%. You can use data bars, color scales, or icon sets for powerful visual insights. Apply pre-designed table styles for a polished, consistent appearance across your entire data range. You can also create and save your own custom cell styles for quick, repeatable application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.